Hi guys, this is Taras from Protima Company, and today I'd like to say a few words about our new things we are implementing in our rock centrifuges right now at the moment. So it's going to be something a little bit different, improved, and I believe you'll like it for sure. So now we are next to our centrifuges. This is the old model, this is the new model, I mean with the new hub and the new shaft, and this one is the old solution we used to have before. You can see this is the hub, this is smaller, even inside the shaft it's only 40 millimeters. This one was used before, how it looked, and now you can even see, and you see that this one is massive, is bigger, it's something completely different. And what is the most important, then this shaft right now is 55 millimeters, so this is thicker, is bigger, is more reliable, and right now nothing gonna happen to them, to these shafts, 100% sure. This is like the one we use in the back in our machines, I mean in the back construction. What is also important that you can easily change the whole door, complete door with the hub and with the hinges. We just unscrew here and here and fix the new door with the new solution, and you can use in the machine and continue your work. So this is the improvement we are implementing in our machines right now. So we are working to present you better solutions, and if you have any other questions, if you would like to know the price, please contact me directly over here, and let's stay in touch. Bye.
Protima. Zadbamy o Twój biznes.